Ready to create an impactful illustration? In this assignment, you'll use space, contrast, and movement to make your artwork dynamic and visually exciting. Let's get started. Start by planning your drawing. Take some time to brainstorm and sketch out your ideas. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your artwork. Choose a subject like a natural scene, an object in action, or an imaginary setting. Think about what inspires you and what story you want to tell through your illustration. Think about how you'll use space, contrast, and movement to make your drawing stand out. These elements will help bring your illustration to life and capture the viewer's attention. Use space to create depth in your compositions. Organize elements thoughtfully in the foreground, middle ground, and background to guide the viewer's eye. For example, in a forest scene, you can overlap trees to show depth and create a sense of immersion. Additionally, adding distant mountains can enhance the layered effect, making the scene feel more expansive and dynamic. Even small details like a close-up of leaves in the foreground can contribute to the overall depth and richness of the scene. Apply contrast to make certain areas stand out. This technique can be used in various forms of art and design to create a focal point. Use differences in light and dark, bold and subtle tones to guide the viewer's eye and emphasize important elements, or bright and muted colors to create a dynamic visual experience. This can add depth and interest to your work. For example, highlight a glowing lantern against a dark background to draw attention to it. This simple yet effective method can make your subject pop. Add movement to your illustration to suggest motion or guide the viewer's eye. Use flowing lines, dynamic poses, or rippling effects to show action, like a character running or wind blowing through trees. When your drawing is complete, flip it over and label the techniques you used. Include a brief explanation for each one. For example, space. I used overlapping trees to show depth in the forest. Review your work to make sure space, contrast, and movement are all clearly visible. Make adjustments if needed, then turn in your illustration with the labeled explanation on the back. Great work! Your illustration will be evaluated based on technique application, clarity, creativity, and effort. Show us your best work. Here are some tips for success. Sketch lightly to plan your composition, use strong contrast to emphasize key areas, and experiment with overlapping and perspective to create depth in your scene. Now it's your turn. Use space, contrast, and movement to create your masterpiece. Let your creativity shine and make your artwork dynamic and impactful.